Google's Nano image model is hands down the best we've ever seen, and I'm about to show you exactly how people are using it to create the most realistic AI influencers we've ever seen. But here's what most creators haven't figured out yet. Google actually has released two game-changing tools this year, Nano for realistic AI photos and VO3 for AI videos, and they are both built into one secret platform that's still flying under the radar. Take a close look at these videos. These people look incredibly real, perfect mouth movement, engaging eye contact. But here's the truth, these aren't real people at all. They are completely AI generated. While brands are spending thousands on human influencers and waiting weeks for content, small creators are quietly building AI systems that works 24/7 for practically nothing. The problem is, when most people try this, the results look fake as hell. Wonky faces, weird hands, obviously AI content. After testing every AI influencer tool available, Google's Nano and VO3 integrated in this underrated tool create the most realistic avatars I've ever seen. So over the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you my exact system to create AI influencers so realistic people can't tell they're not human. I'm talking characters that naturally hold products, switch outfits, and deliver your script with perfect voice every time. So first, let me explain what we're actually dealing here. What baffles me is that people are using this powerful technology only for basic photo editing and making Bigfoot vlogs. But here's what they don't know. When this platform combines Nano and VO3, you get something incredible. You can create AI characters that look identical across unlimited videos. Now, the tool I'm talking about is called ArcAds. I've been using this platform to create AI influencers, and here's why it's different from everything else out there. ArcAds is specifically designed to create AI influencers. While most AI tools are built for general content creation, ArcAds focuses entirely on building realistic virtual people. Alright, so let me walk you through how to make an AI influencer using ArcAds. I'll take it nice and slow so you can follow along with the link in the description. So first thing, head over to ArcAds and sign up with your email. Once you've done that, you will land on this page. Hit New Project in the top left corner. You're gonna see this workspace. Now, you've got four main options here. I'm gonna show you exactly how they work with live examples, so stick with me. The first one is Talking Avatars. This is basically where you create your AI influencer, the person who's going to be on the screen delivering your script. Then you've got gestures. These are little animations like a smile, a wave, even something subtle like tilting their head. Adding just one or two of these make the actor feel way more natural instead of just standing there stiff. Next is B-roll. Think of this as your background footage or supporting clips. You can type in a prompt like modern office or coffee shop, and ArcAds will generate some clips you can drop in your videos. It breaks things up so it's not just a talking head the whole time. And the last option you will see here is scene. This is for building longer multiple scene videos with audio if you want. This is one of the hidden gems in ArcAds, and these whole options are actually powered by Google's VO3 technology. That's why the clips comes out looking so hyper-realistic. If you've ever seen those insane ad-style videos that have been floating around Twitter and thought there's no way that's AI, yeah, that's VO3. I've even made one myself using JSON prompting with this scene option. It ended up looking like one of those high-budget commercials, and I'll link it right up here if you want to check it out later. It's pretty wild. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna deal with is the script. This is basically the backbone of your whole video because whatever you write here is exactly what your influencer is gonna say. You've got two ways to handle it. The first is the simple one, just paste in your text. ArcAds will turn that into speech automatically. It's fast, it works, and you can even pick different voices. The second one is a bit cooler. You can actually record your own voice and then run it through what's called speech-to-speech. What that does is keep your natural pacing, your rhythm, even the little ups and downs in how you talk. So if you want your video to feel more like you without worrying about sounding awkward, this is a really solid option. Alright, so the next step is picking your avatar. Now, here's the part that's gonna blow your mind because you're about to see just how realistic these AI actors actually look. And honestly, some of them are so good it's almost scary. So first, make sure you've got the talking avatar option selected, and then head over to Actors tab. You'll see a bunch of AI actors here that you can scroll through. Different faces, style, ages, all that. You can even filter by things like gender or style if you want to get specific. But here's the thing, we're not actually gonna use any of these pre-made options right now because I want to show you something way cooler. We're going to build our own AI influencer from scratch. So scroll back up to the top and click on Create Actor. Remember earlier when I mentioned Nano being integrated into ArcAds? This is where it comes into play. You can literally create your own influencer from scratch using Nano's tech, and it's insanely good. Now, once you're here, you will see two main options. The first one is generate from a prompt and reference image. That's where you give it a text description, maybe upload a picture for inspiration, and it'll build an avatar that matches what you had in mind. The second one is transform transform an image into a talking avatar. That's where you take an existing picture, like maybe a headshot you already have, and then tweak their appearance however you want. For this walkthrough, I'm gonna go with the first option as we were making our AI influencer from scratch. Alright, so just click on it, and now we're inside the editor where you can actually define your AI influencer. Here's the important part. You can't just type something vague and expect it to magically spit out a perfect result. You want to be clear and specific with your description so the AI knows exactly what you're going for. There's also an option here to upload a reference image if you've got something in mind, like maybe a picture of a vibe or style you want to match. Totally optional, but it can help a lot if you're trying to nail a certain look. Let me show you how I would actually do it. In this case, I'm going to create a lifestyle influencer. So in the prompt box, I'll type something like a 20-year-old woman with long, wavy blonde hair and striking blue eyes. She has a natural glowing complexion and a calm, confident expression. She's wearing white top. The setting is her cozy bedroom, softly lit with natural light. The more specific you are, the better the output is going to be. Next, you'll see the aspect ratio setting. Since this is for social media, I'll switch it to vertical because that's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, basically all the platforms people actually watch on. Once that's set, just hit generate, wait maybe 10 to 20 seconds, and boom, look at that. It gives you 3 different options to choose from right away, so you can pick the one that matches your vision best. Alright, so out of these 3 options, I actually like this one the best. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select it. Now, as you can see, it's set it up here as a reference photo. Now, the cool part is any edits or new iteration you make are gonna be based on this image, so it keeps the same look and consistency. That's way better than a lot of AI tools that just spit out a completely different person every time you tweak something. And if you change your mind completely, no big deal. You can just delete it and start fresh. Super simple. So from here, you can make pretty much any change you want to your model. Alright, so let me show you an example. I'm gonna type something like she's wearing a red dress, sitting at a coffee shop under the Eiffel Tower. And check this out. It actually keeps the same character, same face, but places her in that new scene and indistinguishable from a real influencer. So from here on, you can basically change anything you can imagine about her. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want her to hold my product, and my product is a facial cream. First thing I need to do is make sure the right photo of her is selected, so I'll scroll back up and pick this image of her in the bedroom. Just remember, whichever image you choose here is what it's going to build from. Once that's done, I'll grab a picture of my product. Click on the little image icon and upload the product photo. Then I'll type something like she's holding the cream and showing it to the camera. And that's it. She's actually presenting the product in the scene while looking like the same character. You see how realistic she looks? She doesn't have that weird plasticky AI generated vibe you sometimes get with other tools. And check this out. The product in her hand is actually the same one I uploaded. No random gibberish text slap on the label. It's clean and accurate. Honestly, that's one of the things I like about this. It makes the final result look way more professional. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how this image turned out. Now, the next step is where things actually get really cool. We're about to turn this still image into a full talking AI influencer. And the reason this part is so crazy is because we're basically combining Nano photo quality image generation with Google's VO3 video tech. Having both of these built right into Arc Ads is what separates it from all the other AI tools out there. You're not just making an avatar, you're making an AI influencer that honestly looks so real you would have to remind yourself it's AI. So what I'm gonna do now is select the image I like and hit select your actor. This is where you can actually tell your actor how to behave. For example, I'll type something simple like make the actor talk with excitement about the product in her hand. Then I just press turn into talking avatar. At this point, it will let you how many credits this is going to use, and it will also ask you to confirm that this is your image. Just tick that box and press turn into talking avatar again. Next, we get to pick how she sounds. So I'll open up the drop downs, set gender to female, age to young, language to English, and accent to American. That filters the options, and now I've got a whole list of voices I can test out. Make sure to actually listen to them because the vibe matters. For example, you don't want someone who sounds like they're outdoors if your actor is sitting in a quiet bedroom. For me, I think sounds the most natural and fits the environment. So I'll select that and hit pick voice. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes to generate a preview. And once it's ready, you get a quick 5-second demo. Look at that. It already looks super realistic. And here's the best part. If something feels off, you can always go back and tweak it before moving forward. But honestly, I'm happy with how this turned out. So I'm just gonna press on launch lip sync. Now you can see it says training, so we just have to wait for our influencer to be fully ready. Okay, our AI influencer is ready. Mine didn't take long at all, probably like around 30 minutes max. Now, this is where it starts to feel unreal. Now I'm gonna show you make her actually talk using your script. Head back to your project and press on add actor, then go to my avatar. You can hover your actor to see a preview, then just select her and hit add actor. From here, you will see a text box where you can write the script you want her to say. Now, here's where most people mess up. They don't adjust the voice setting. Click on your actor and a new tab will open with all the voice settings. This is where you can fine-tune how natural it sounds. For example, adjust the speed to make her talk faster or slower. Change the stability, lower makes it sound more natural with variation. higher it keeps it more flat and consistent. Adjust the similarity, a higher value gives it more casual tone with subtle changes. Play with exaggeration, higher adds more emotion and emphasis, lower keeps it neutral. This setting makes a huge difference in how realistic your AI influencer sounds. You can even swap her voice completely and choose another one from the earlier list. You're not locked in. Now, if you want more control, there's also the speech-to-speech option I showed you earlier. With that, you can record your own voice or upload a voiceover and she will copy the tone and style exactly. For this example, I'm gonna try text because I think it sounds a bit smoother for me. But if you want that personal touch, speech-to-speech is amazing. Once you're happy with a preview, just hit generate and then generate video. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes max, and once it's done, I'll show you the final results. Okay, our video is ready. Let's take a look.
You guys, I swear this exfoliating cream is wild. My skin felt brand new after just one use. Like, why did nobody tell me about this sooner?
Nice, that looks really good. If I feel like tweaking something, I can hit remix and it will take me right back into the editor where I can make changes. The real power comes from creating multiple variation of your AI influencer for different scenarios. Now, if you want to make her having different gesture, for example, all you have to do is press this drop-down menu and press on gesture, and then my actor and choose your actor. Now, here you can describe a gesture like make the actor look surprised or whatever you want her to do. Then press on this arrow button, then press generate gesture. This is gonna take around 5 minutes as well. Okay, our video is ready. Let's take a look. Look at this. This is amazing. Now let's create some B-roll using the VO3 integration. I'll show you how to create B-roll for your video and use it with your AI influencer. On your dashboard, click on the drop-down menu again and choose B-roll. Make sure it's set to 9:16 for vertical videos and pick your duration, either 5 or 10 seconds. You can create one from scratch just by describing what you want, but for this example, I'm gonna use an image of my product. So I'll press the image button, select add starting frame, and choose my product image. Now I'll describe what I want the video to look like. Something like a woman's hand showcasing the product. Then press generate and wait for it to render. Okay, our B-roll is ready. Let's take a look. It looks super realistic, natural, and it keeps the exact features of the product. Now let's create a different version of our influencer with scene. This is a really cool feature because you can create hyper-realistic video with audio using VO3 technology. Keep in mind, a lot of features here already use VO3, but this one gives you the highest quality results. So I'm gonna press on the scene option. Here you can paste in the dialogue you want your AI influencer to say. I'll drop my script in this box. Next, I always like to start with a frame, since it helps lock in the exact look I want. So I'll pick a picture of my influencer, describe the scene I want, then press generate and wait for the result. Result is ready. Let's check it out.
This exfoliating cream is wild. My skin felt brand new after just one use.
Wow, it looks amazing and super real. The only thing I forgot to do was set it to vertical. No worries though, I can hit the remix button and it take me back to regenerate. This time I'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it's vertical. Then press generate and here's the result.
Guys, this exfoliating cream is wild. My skin felt brand new after just one use.
This one looks really good too. Perfect for social media, especially TikTok style raw product recommendation videos. You can also batch create this for different products. Same AI influencer, but this time she's holding skincare, fitness gear, supplements, whatever you want to promote. And the best part is consistency. Every single time you will get the same person, not their cousin, not their family members, same exact person. The link to our ads is in the description. If you're serious about making money with AI influencers, this tool is on another level. Most people are stuck with low quality results that looks fake or inconsistent, but here you get stable, realistic content that feels so real people can't tell the difference. From here, you can take all these clips, put them together and edit inside CapCut to make your final video. I've already made a video showing how I use Arc Ads to create UGC creators and how to edit the final results. So if you're interested, just click on the video on the screen right here and I'll see you there.